We used to have a functional laundry room. It was a little outdated, but it's really nice to have a laundry room. However, the room was missing a very important thing. So we tore it all apart just to add this pipe. This pipe will eventually be a much needed toilet on the main floor. To get to this point has been quite the journey, but until we put the room all back together, it's just a pipe. So let's do this. In our new design for the laundry room, we are moving the dryer that used to live over here to over here somewhere. So that means we have to move this vent. That's not for the chop chop. Hey, where are you going with that? Oh no! Shh.
Big as that.
My helper today, putting her hard to work. What are we starting with?
Spray foam.
Where are we spray foaming?
Down here in all the cracks to stop some of the drafts. We're drilling a hole in the wood out the side of the house so that we can put our dryer exhaust out. So basically what we covered up here, we're now moving here. Okay, ready? Plug it in.
Was it fun drilling a hole through the house?
Yeah. It'll be funner drilling a bigger hole through the house. Ready? There goes nothing.
We drill from the outside so we could get a clean cut on the vinyl.
Wow!
Then there's the second layer.
So much work just to move it like 2 feet. It'll be worth it though.
We got the electrical done, the venting, and most of the plumbing. Now all that's left is putting it all back together.
You are making me crazy. I'm in love but I'm lazy. So won't you please come home? Oh honey pie, you are making me crazy. I'm in love but I'm lazy. So won't you please come home? Oh honey pie, my position is tragic. Come and show me the magic of your Hollywood song. You became a legend of the silver screen. reality. To be where you belong. Honey pie, come back to me.
Wow.
Doesn't it feel much warmer?
Yeah, it really does.
Yeah, it's like a room.
Maybe we should paint it pink.
No.
A real powder room.
Honey pie, you are drunk.
Next up, vapor barrier.
Say no close to your gravity. To be where you belong. Honey pie, come back to me.
So satisfying to cut.
Is a tool that I got, I think, at like a garage sale for $5 or something.
Feel the wind that blew her boat across the sea. Kindly send her sailing back to me. You are making me crazy. I'm in love, but I'm lazy. So won't you please come on, come back to me, honey pie. Honey pie.
So what is this, the second and a half day?
Yeah, this was also being done in one day, and it's been like a day and a half, and we're not even halfway there.
Okay. So
Things take way longer than expected.
the room is sealed, and now we can cover it all up with drywall.
Oh, I'm so happy. It says lightweight gypsum board. That's the biggest bunch of bull I ever heard. Weighs 700 million pounds.
Look at that. Let's hope it fits.
So I'm gonna wait to stay.
Not quite.
Yeah.
And I don't even know why we use a straight edge in this crooked house.
Woman, you would do me anyway.
It's almost a room again.
Almost.
Couldn't help myself, just had to see how it would look.
Wow. Oh,
I know.
it's amazing. Oh, never loved a toilet so much in my life. And what a view! You brought in the putty master.
You have just as much style as I do.
Well, I didn't want to ruin my pants, so I wore yours. And they're too long, so I had to tuck them in. So we have this hole in the wall and we need to fill it. But instead of getting a patch kit, we're gonna use a piece of scrap drywall. Score these on an angle. It's kind of like cutting a mango. Then, you ever so carefully peel it off. There. Egg shape with a square on the back. And we're gonna plug the hole. Be liberal with the putty. So now we have this putty hole. You put it in the hole. So satisfying. Fan it out. Like so.
Hi.
It smells like progress.
We want to fill the spaces in between the beams with old barn board, just like the kitchen. Since each one of the spaces are unique, we're going to start off with cutting a piece of cardboard and making a template.
Like sunshine in the morning, baby raining in the baby raining in and like sunshine in the morning, baby raining in the street. I want like sunshine in the morning.
No, on to the fun parts next episode. We get to paint the walls and put the flooring in, finally add the toilets, get my washer and dryer back in.
Hello, Spring.
Here, it's your turn. Only because you're just taking it to the car and I still have to go wash it.
Not true.
Oh, he put it right in the mud.
Come on.
It's fun. You can keep this one.
What are you even doing?
I'm listening to The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo on Audible. She's got a really good philosophy of tidying in the right order, starting with discarding, and then putting things away. And it's about tidying up quickly so you see a major transformation so you don't get back into your old habits of keeping clutter, which is going to really benefit us because living in a reno zone gets cluttery quickly.
How can we listen to that?
On Audible. Audible.com/wabi-sabi, or if you're in the States, you can text wabi-sabi to 500-500. Or you should download Audible to help improve your life. There's books on everything. They have an unmatched selection of books. So if you go to audible.com/wabi-sabi or text wabi-sabi to 500-500, you'll get 1 free book with your 30-day trial, plus you'll get 2 exclusive Audible originals.
Go download Audible. It's really great. And they help support us, so go support them.
This is the keep pile.
That's all your clothes.
Oh. How about we do this? We discard every piece of your clothing that is filthy.
No, that's all. That's not a fair rule at all. The purge continues.
Less stuff in your life, less stuff in your mind.
Also, less laundry. like, and subscribe. Like, and subscribe.
And share!